Craving flavorful Chinese food in Richardson without breaking the bank? Hometown Cafe is a local favorite for authentic dishes, generous portions, and unbeatable prices. This budget-friendly Chinese restaurant near Dallas is a hidden gem worth discovering. Let's check it out. Here's the food. You can select 3 items plus steamed rice for $12. Some buns that you can purchase, free soup of the day, soda is extra. This is part of the seating area. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden gems and foodie finds across Texas.